This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It is Thursday, the 17th of May, and we had a heavy downwards day on the ASX 200 yesterday, with the leading index down 96 points, closing at 4170. And we can see that what this has done is it's broken through all previous lows and has us in a clear downward shift at the moment. Okay, we're now shifting towards previous lows down around that 4140 level. So there's a potential here that some further sell-off will see the ASX 200 retracing further, and we'll need to evaluate the selling pressure today to see what happens there. Now, what's happened overseas overnight will have a direct influence on the Aussie market. The FTSE was down 32 points. We can see it closed slightly lower here at 0.6% down. The German DAX was down 16 points, or 0.2%. It looks like it is slowing at its selling momentum, though still remains in a downwards trend. And the CAC 40, or the French leading index, is actually up 9 points, or 0.3%. So there's a little bit of a relief rally just there. So we can see a large shadow on top of the previous, on top of overnight candle, and it does show a little bit of weakness in that buyer activity. In the US, we saw the Dow Jones down a mild 33 points, or 0.2%. Now, the index had actually started the day off quite positively and gave back all those gains through the rest of the day, closing in the negative. The Nasdaq index, ahead of Facebook's IPO on Friday, is down 19 points, or down 0.7%, so that outperformed the other markets in terms of the selling pressure. The S&P 500 closed down 5 points, or 0.13%, so barely any change there. The momentum is starting to slow in that seller activity, yet is still dominated by sellers, so it's just a little bit of easing there. The SPY futures are pointing towards a slightly lower open, down 1 or 2 points, and that will have a mild negative influence on the market open today. Our expectations are that there's potential for a little bit of a relief rally. We do have commodity prices all coming off at the moment, and the Aussie dollar down to 99 cents to the US. So we are seeing some broader negativity that's influencing our markets, and some reports from BHP overnight are likely to have a little bit of negative effect as well. So that sums up the markets for the morning. We look forward to seeing how this selling pressure persists, and we look forward to talking to you again tomorrow. Happy trading.